Hello, hello. This is Kristina, your host today, and today is a new episode of KSM Podcast, Growing Business Online with Kristina. And I'm so honored, and my pleasure is to have my special guest speaker today, Professor Sonja Radenkovic from Serbia, Belgrade. And Sonja, welcome to the new episode of KSM Podcast.
Hi, dear Kristina. Firstly, I want to tell you how much I appreciate you in inviting me this motivational podcast, and I'm very happy to share with you and with your audience the information that I believe they are the most significant in this age of digital economy, digital media, and everything with the prefix digital. So thank you again, and I'm happy to be here.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to have you today. And Sonja, can you tell us a little bit about you? I mentioned that you're from Serbia, like as I am, but also share about you, who you are, and what you do for our listeners who will listen to this episode of KSM Podcast with you as a guest speaker.
Yes, thank you very much. So,
My
as
pleasure.
you said, my name is Sonja D. Radenkovic, and I'm an associate professor at the BBA faculty. This is the faculty of the economy, business, and finance in Belgrade, Serbia, our Serbia, yeah. And I got my PhD in computer science and information systems at the University of Belgrade, Department of Information Systems. And my area of interest is software engineering and artificial intelligence, as well as digital transformation of business. So I am a research associate in the artificial intelligence lab at the University of Belgrade. So these are my areas of interest in the science. Also, I am in charge of digital economy module at my faculty, BBA faculty. There, I'm teaching students the subjects such as the digital marketing, digital finance, management information systems, designing and implementation of information systems, databases, as well as many similar topics in the area of digital transformation of business. Also, I want to mention that I teach students to use Python programming language in the purpose of the data analysis, application of artificial intelligence in the different parts of business, or maybe we can tell in life as a whole, since the artificial intelligence is one of the hype term in this digital age. So in addition to my teaching activities, I'm also in charge for one European Erasmus Plus project called Winnovators in the area of women entrepreneurship. The main idea of that project is to empower young women that have entrepreneurial ideas to start and enlarge their businesses. These women are from rural areas, from vulnerable groups, and within the project we developed the Winnovators platform with the courses in the different areas of digital business. And the process of learning women entrepreneurs in the Innovators platform is performing in the process of collaboration with students. Every woman has its own student as a part of a team, as well as a mentor, the university professor that help them to organize their digital business, also to enlarge their business. There is another advantage of a digital platform called Innovator. When they pass the courses, women get the certificates. With these certificates, they can get another jobs in these areas, such as different areas of digital business. There are two steps in opening and enlarging digital business. Firstly, they pass the courses. Another part is getting the practical skills, practical tasks related to their own businesses, which means that they need to create their business plan. They have to develop their web platform of their business, to open the profiles in social media, and to start a business in different areas, as well as in online environment, with the helping of their students and the mentors of this project. And by now we had two pilots, and we had very good results. In the first pilot, we had 15 women entrepreneurs, and in the second pilot that is currently ongoing, we had 29 women entrepreneurs, which means that we had 29 new online businesses in our platform. So the idea is very interesting, and we had very good feedback. So we hope that we will have more success in the future with this project for digital education of young women entrepreneurs, as well as digital transformation of the whole society, not just in Serbia. Since this is the European project, we have similar activities in Estonia, in Slovenia, in Italy, in Romania, and the whole consortium is very satisfied with the results of this project. I want to emphasize that I am a woman entrepreneur too, which means that I have my own digital business. This is a consultant agency. I'm a consultant in the area of digital transformation of business, which means that I work in the companies in the process of automatization of the business processes and application of current digital technologies, such as AI, blockchain technology, IoT, machine learning in the different part of business. So I think that I tell you everything in a short sentences, what I am doing right now and who I am.
Thank you for sharing that, because I wanted to share with our audience that this episode is going to be a little bit different, because we are going to cover such a three segmentation about business about faculty, yes, about Innovators platform, and about your business, your own business journey. So for the first, I wanted to ask you about which you shared, but you used my question in terms of Innovators. I can ask you some questions because you introduced all those kind of things, what you do. It's my pleasure. And in terms of Innovators, who you mentioned Estonia, Slovenia, Romania, Italy.
In Serbia.
In Serbia, of course. Thank you. And who can apply there? Do that mean that only those entrepreneurs, women who are in those countries, or in that platform can join, let's say, young entrepreneurs and women entrepreneurs from Europe, from, just to share, maybe for the audience, maybe someone of our listeners will connect with you and maybe wanted to get to know more about this project, that project, sorry.
Thank you for the question. This time, we have the women entrepreneurs from the countries you mentioned, i.e. from Serbia, Estonia, Italy, Romania.
And project is totally free. To join, it's free of charge.
It's very important to mention that it's totally free to join our project and to get the knowledge from very interesting and significant areas of the digital business. But since we have a digital platform, it means that we want to collaborate with the young women entrepreneurs worldwide, which means that not just the women from the countries that are from the consortium is from them can be a participant and can use the project platform. The only thing which is important is that the women entrepreneur need to be verified at the platform by our admin in order to start the Innovators journey in the Innovators platform and perform actually and get a very important knowledge in these interesting areas. This is the second level of the project, the second part of our project that is ongoing for 3 years till now. So we are very happy that the Innovators platform is very popular and interesting among different women from the different areas right now from Europe, but we hope that it will be shared in the other continents. Yeah.
So that will be nice, because for that platform just cover all continents, as you mentioned. And I know that when someone wanted to join, let's say we're talking now about Europe, you need to go to create your account, start with that, and you need that someone approve you that you are a member and give you permission to join the platform.
Yeah, so this is the process of verification. Yeah, this is the process of verification. So when someone which wants to join our platform register, he or she needs to wait for verification, which means that someone needs to approve that the person, actually the young women, can join our platform. Yeah, and everything is for free. It's very important to mention. Yeah,
and at the moment I'm getting idea for myself to organize, maybe schedule the other call about this, some kind of episode talking only about innovators. Maybe we can do it next time, but today we will just have a little bit more to talk about. And Professor Sonja, can you what would be, I have a question for you. What is how do you feel as a professor and entrepreneurs, and how do you juggling between entrepreneurial journey and teaching and lecturing students?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you
And
again.
you're also mom of two, so this is
yeah, of course. Well, my experience is that if I have both of application, the knowledge in the education, actually at the faculty, as well as in the different companies, which means in the market. That is the whole picture of the value of my knowledge. What it means. It is definitely that every professor that that is teaching the students in some area has a lot of knowledge from that area. That is the most that is the prerequisite if you want to be a professor at the faculty, since you have the students that are interested to gather the knowledge, and you have to have a lot of knowledge from that area. But if you just share the knowledge and you don't apply that knowledge in the market, which means if you not try that practical part in a real market, in a real business, you cannot see what is more valuably or what is not so valuably in your teaching, for sure. So the experience in market, in the companies, gives me a feedback what to learn my students in the faculty, which means that my students, and not only my students, I have to mention that BBA faculty of economics, business, and finance is organized in that way that we prepare the students for the market during their studies. So the percent of employment of our students is 95 till the end of their studies. They got the employment in a very popular and of course very successful companies here in Serbia and abroad. That is a key, and my own opinion is that the knowledge is a key for success in every part of life. If you have the strategy to gather the knowledge, to perform your own up in every part of your life, you'll be a better professional, you'll be better person as a whole. Yeah. So in my opinion, this is the key, to have the knowledge and to apply the knowledge. That is my motivation for working in the education sector as well as in the market this time.
Yeah. In one word, just take action. And many times when I speak to my speakers, previous speakers, and I ask them, if people have such a business idea, but I don't know how to start, because this podcast is so dedicated to business entrepreneurs and women and men to spread the word about their business and marketing on global level. And when you mentioned that it's just really new, if you have business idea, just start and try. If you don't try, you have never know what's happened. And people get business idea, but they aren't stuck to start with that. As you mentioned mentioned also, it's so important if you have knowledge and you have education, but if you don't approve it, if you don't try to like put in action to
Yeah,
start
in
with your business
practice. Yeah.
journey, you shouldn't know about it. So I would like also to ask you about this other part about your company. And can you share with us a little bit more to choose the segmentation, because you have artificial intelligence and other things, maybe just for, because I think that you work global in some way, that you can get with
Yeah.
clients all around the world in terms of your
Uh,
business in some
yeah,
way.
right
Just
now, I'm working here in Serbia, but I will work globally, actually, with the colleagues from Italy, concretely from autumn. And if we talk about these activities, actually current activities in the business, in my business right now, my activities are related to the
automation.
automation of different business processes in the different companies. So what it means? For example, if you have your company that is working in a traditional market, and your company needs to apply different digital technologies, or maybe you want to go to the other markets, you need to use digital technologies in order to go to the other markets. The first phase of this digital transformation is to perform some transfer from a manual business processes to the digital business processes, which are performed in these modern ways, which means that if you want to, for example, if you have some food industry and you want to go to the market of the other country, you don't need to open such as stores, such stores, etc. You just need to organize your website, for example, to buy some domain in that country and to start digital activities, firstly in the digital marketing, to promote your business in the digital environment, which is the start for getting the first clients. And when you have your audience, your clients, then you can, for example, open one store and offer the products or the services you want to sell, in order to get more clients. And in line with that, I just want to mention that when I told you that the knowledge is a key for success, it means that, for example, if I want to perform some marketing and promotion of my products or services that I want to sell, but I don't have the knowledge in the area, for example, of supply chain or the other part of the business, my business can go up, and after that go down. So we need to have a lot of knowledge to enlarge our business, and this is the key for offering my services in this area.
That's lovely. Thank you for sharing that, because I think, and when you mentioned shop, did you mean an online shop or just physical shop there? For example, as example,
Yeah.
food.
Firstly, if you want
food company.
yeah, if you want to go, for example, in another market, you will open an online shop in that website in the domain of that country. But if you have a lot of clients and customers, after that you can open a traditional shop, and your clients can go not just on the website. They can go, of course, in your shop in the traditional market. What is the main value of this approach? We can talk about starting enlarging the businesses, but we have to mention that we need the money, we need the assets for enlarging our business. So in order to enlarge our business, of course, that we have to find new customers, new clients, to get the income in order to be bigger and bigger business. So if you know digital technologies, you don't need the money in the first level, but when you get the target, when you have your clients and customers, of course you can for example, buy some space for your traditional shop and open in the other country.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Thank you for sharing. And Sonja, I asked you many questions today, and we shared it was such a great session about teaching and Innovators platform and your business. So I always ask my guest speakers, in terms for someone who wanted to start a business. You're so experienced with that as a business owner and also as a professor, a university professor. So what would be the message for our listeners if they wanted to start business? Either they're female entrepreneurs or male entrepreneurs, but just for there to encourage them to, or maybe they will connect with you. I will share all for your social media platforms just to connect with you for our speakers.
Great.
I will put that below this podcast, this episode. So just before we ramp up the call today, just to share with us maybe some kind of encouragement for future business owners, especially online and digital space, online business owners.
Thank you. This is my strategy. When this word that I will tell you, this is my strategy. Everyone that works in the traditional market, for example, has its own job. He or she is employed, and he or she has its own salary, for their work. But if you have the knowledge, you will have the possibility to work in some company to get that salary, and of course to open and enlarge your business with your power, actually with your knowledge. Digital technology and this digital age offers us the opportunities to apply, for example, some hobbies or our skills in the digital platforms, in the online space, without money, and everyone can start its own business without different problems, such as how to find the money for starting the business, and how to get the money if the business is not going so well. So we don't have these problems if we have the knowledge. the main thing is to gather the knowledge, to use that knowledge in the digital space, besides our jobs, our activities in the traditional market. And in that way, we will have more opportunities. And of course, we will get that power of knowledge to work not only in our areas, but to work worldwide. Why not? Yeah.
Yeah,
This
that's
is
lovely.
the
Yeah.
most motivational message of this talk between two
Yes,
of
this is
us.
called
Yeah.
today. Yes, and for all of you who wanted to know, who wanted to start business, just think about, you need knowledge, but don't forget to apply, don't forget to put in action and take action in terms and spread the word and move to the international market or start with your local market. But anyway, this is so important, and it's to be a business owner. It's there are ups and downs, but it's so important to be, especially we focus in women entrepreneurship. So, you know, um, Sonja, Professor Sonja, thank you so much for having time and spend time with me today. You share such amazing story because it's really educational. It's really beneficial for our listeners who will listen all those information what we shared today. And don't forget that we will have the other call, maybe at the end of the year or next year, when we have a specific topic or just to see how it's going with that. And before we, how listeners can reach out to you, how they can connect with you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. At the end, I will tell you again, thank you for your invitation. It is my pleasure to collaborate with you, to share with you all the information regarding this very interesting topic. And of course, we can plan another call regarding only the Innovators project, but we'll be in touch for that. For your audience, they can reach me on my homepage, www.sonjaradenkovic.net, as well as on the Facebook Sonja D. Radenkovic profile. Of course, the same profile, Sonja D. Radenkovic, is in the LinkedIn. You can find me. Actually, you can write me in the sonja.bbba.edu.rs email. So it will be my pleasure to share with you everything I can help in starting and enlarging their digital business.
Dear Professor Sonja, thank you so much, and see you very soon in our next episode. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.
Thank you too. Thank you too, and see you. Bye.
Bye. Goodbye.